Hello everyone, welcome back. Let us learn how to draw Dumbo today, shall we? Ready? Let's get started. We will start by drawing the outline of his forehead first. Next, at both ends, add in Dumbo's big ears. Let's add in the ear on the other side now. Proceed to drawing his chin to complete the outline of his head. The outline of Dumbo's head is completed now. We shall work on his trunk next. Followed by his mouth. Add in some finishing touches first before drawing his eyebrows and eyes. Let's do Dumbo's eyebrows and eyes now. And his cute little hairs to complete. We have finished drawing Dumbo's head. Let's move on to his body by drawing the scarf he is wearing around his neck first. It's time for his body and legs next. Add the nails on both his front legs. Next, let's move on to his tummy. And continue with his last back leg. We are almost done with Dumbo now. Add in his tail and the winkles on his skin to complete. Shall we add Dumbo's hat for him? Let's do it. You have learned how to draw baby Dumbo today. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share and subscribe.